Hey guys, so I'm just starting right with this tutorial. So I am going to be recreating a look by ADABURGOS11 on Instagram. I don't know if you guys know her, but she creates the most stunning, creative, and colorful looks. But anyways, I'm starting off with LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige. And then I'm just going to blend that all out with a Real Techniques beauty sponge. Now I'm taking the Sacha Buttercup setting powder with this nice brush that I got off of Amazon in a set, and I'm just going to set my concealer. And then taking the Morphe 35B with that nice pink shade, and then I'm taking this crease brush and just starting to buff that into my crease, make sure things are nice and seamless, and pack on that color because we want it to be nice, bold, pop-in, and pigmented. Saturday, and I won't be long. Gotta paint my nails, put my high heels on. It's Saturday, and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. Now I'm taking this medium purple shade with my Vasanti crease brush, and I'm just going to apply that as my second transition color. And this color you really have to just pack on and layer and pack on and layer until you get it to the brightness that you like it to. So right here I am just packing it on and packing it on until I, get the pigmentation that I want. Same thing with the other eye. I'm just packing on the shade, blending it out to form that wing shape so that I can have like a nice wing cut crease. But now it's time to cut the crease. So I'm taking that same LA Girl Pro Conceal that I used to prime with and just cutting my crease that way. As you can see, I did look up, right, and left so that I can just form that guideline to draw out my crease with, my cut crease. And then I'm taking a nice concealer brush and then smoothing that out, going back in with the concealer with the flat brush and drawing out that winged cut crease. That's a lot of cut creases in one sentence, but whatever. And as you can see, I did my other eye off camera, but I'm moving on with the Sacha Buttercup, and I'm just going to set my concealer with that. And then after that, I'm going to move on to the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette with that nice magenta pink shade. And this is going to be my first lid color. I'm starting off with the middle because I don't want it, for some reason, that's just how I like doing it. I just want to start off with the middle and then work my way to the inner corner and then the outer corner. I mean, that's just the way I want to do it, so that's how I feel today. And the same goes for the other eye. I'm just packing on the color, and right here I'm applying it with my finger because my finger just does the job. But I am moving on to the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm taking that nice champagne shimmery shade, and this is going to be my like inner lid, not the inner corner, but my inner lid shade, and I'm just going to pop that in and then move on to that dark purple shade, and this is going to be my outer corner shade, and then also that's going to fill out that wing part of the cut crease. Alright, right here you can like see me switching from brush to finger because I use the flat brush for precision and then I use my finger for the pigmentation. The flat brush is just to fill out all the lines and all the crevices that I did not touch with my finger, and the finger is for the pigmentation and trying to build up that color. But now I'm taking that same magenta pink shade that we did earlier, and I'm just using that for my lower lash line color. And then I'm moving on to that darker purple that we used for the outer corner, and then putting that closer to my lower lash line just to deepen things up. Now I'm taking that even more blinding champagne shade, and this is going to be my inner corner color. So yeah, I'm just popping that into my inner corners. I am now taking NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in Sapphire, and I'm just going to outline my cut crease. And I want to mimic Ada's picture as best as can be, and so that's what I'm doing. And then after that, I took Urban Decay's Midnight Cowboy glitter liner and just outlined above that blue line. I then applied Ardell's Faux Minks in 811. Now I'm applying Colourpop's and Iluvsarahii collaboration lip liner, and this is in Mamacita. And I'm just going to outline my lips to prepare for some lip gloss later on. After the lip liner, I'm taking Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss in Potion, and this is just going to tie the whole entire look together. This is what's going to bring in the whole monochrome look since it's all purple everything. And this is what completes the look, guys. There you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I did hit 300 subscribers. My new goal is 350 subscribers. I hope you guys subscribe if you are new here. Comment down below what you thought of this video. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I don't give a crap. But yeah, that's all I have to say. Have a blessed day. Like, comment, subscribe. Get me to 350 subscribers, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Tell her holla if you need some dick. Devotion is getting hopeless, but hold it. I'm getting closest. My soul is, I'm seeing ghosts. A solo is never poet. Hypnosis, overdose on potions. Adjusting to the motions and getting out of my emotions. Every day I spend my time